Welcome back to my channel, Elia Present Cooking. Today I'm bringing you a super easy and delicious recipe, sweet bread slices. This recipe is so quick and simple you can make it at home anytime and it tastes just like a bakery treat, so make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Visit my channel and watch my old videos too. Let's give them some views and love. Look at my delicious sweet sandwiches. Soft bread sweet slices. Don't forget to watch and enjoy. If you've enjoyed my sweet slice sandwiches, let's start the recipe. I've taken 11 eggs. I have taken large pack of bread. Wow, this bread looks so good. Now add 2 eggs in a bowl. Add 4 teaspoons sugar to eggs. Add 1 small cup milk. Now mix well. Now dip a bread slice into the egg mixture. Flip to coat the other side. Now it's time to fry it. Add oil to the pan. Now change its side. It's very beautiful. Dish out the sweet slice. Cut it into a pizza shape. Wow, this looks so good. Subscribe me again. Repeat the same process. While I do this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Guys, our video is finally ready. I hope you really enjoyed watching this recipe and found it easy to follow. If you liked it, don't forget share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And yes, don't forget to watch my old videos. Bye-bye. Also, check out my old videos. Bye. Don't forget my previous videos. Bye.